Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel for the love of luxury. Today I have a really special unboxing for you all and for myself. That's why I'm doing the video, so I can look back and have the memory of opening this special piece. I know I haven't done a video unboxing for quite some time, even though I have got some amazing pieces this year. Maybe I can do one after this, but you know what? I only unbox the best, and basically once you guys see what's in here, I think you'll agree that what's the point of unboxing anything else when I scored this. So just to give you a quick background history, I won't give too much. I've been waiting for this item for, I'd say, up to 4 years. It's just in Dubai. It's super competitive. I couldn't get it in France. All those trips to Paris, I wasn't able to get this bag. I wasn't even able to get actually an appointment in Paris, to be clear, even though I do have an account and spend decent there. I didn't get lucky at the location I tried. I will go back and try again. But long story short, my essay, she offered me before this 2 other pieces, and anyone else said, take them, don't turn them down, you know, because this is really a difficult item to get. But my thinking was like, I personally, I don't know about you, but I've bought things I don't like. We all do it. But when it comes to this item, I was like, if I have to look at that item, and of course it's not that I would hate it, but I am a little bit picky about my colors. I mean, if you know me, you know most of my handbags are either neutrals, black, all pink. I mean, I collect pink bags, and yeah, any variation of pink. I like to have a whole closet of just different colors of pink. You can never have the same color of pink because you're not going to ever have the same material, the same design, etc. Long story short, she calls me about a week ago and is like, you need to come now. I have something for you. Everybody wants this to reserve, and I've got it for you. I really didn't ask any more questions. I just said to my husband, let's go. And we went to the mall and met with my SA, who then presented me with this. So she also sometimes says I'm difficult and, you know, too picky about the color of choice, because in Dubai, people will take anything. If they're offered a bag, they literally, according to her, take any bag, you know. And I just feel like, if I'm getting offered a bag that I don't like, I mean, I guess some people maybe resell. I don't know what their thing is, or some people just want to have the bag. For me, I have to have the right bag. I am definitely, I would say, a quality over quantity type of person. So enough of the background here. I'm so happy you all get to open this with me on my very special birthday. I don't have a whole lot of time before my little ones come storming the room. So this memory of this bag will live on. What do you think, guys? What do you think the color is? I mean, obviously I kind of gave it away. I mean, you know it's a mini, right? The Mini Kelly. The earliest known Mini Kelly from dates from 1957. And basically, you know, it's one of the most in-demand handbags. Anyone that is an Hermes lover knows this. It's by very small, the measurements, 7 by 5 by 2.25. I mean, you can just Google it all, as I'm doing here. So I've spoiled the surprise. As you can tell, the bag is super small. So when my husband seen this, he was like, what is this? You know, what is this bag? Expecting usually, you know, big Birkins or the larger Kellys come in a bigger box. This bag is literally, I mean, it's small. Of course, I knew what was awaiting for me. And I mean, I don't know really what else I could say about it. I mean, you guys can Google it. It's just, you know, even it says in Google, can you buy a Mini Kelly in store? It must be ordered. There's a waiting list. Look, I'm sure if you're famous, you're, you know, I'm not even gonna say names here. You could walk into Paris and get the bag. But when I open this and you see this bag, the color, I mean, I just felt like, wow, how on earth did I get this bag? So it's pretty much my dream bag. It's my favorite color, obviously pink, and this is a pink I don't have. This is a mauve Sylvestre. So it's obviously with calfskin leather, which I think most of the minis are, unless they're an exotic. Personally, I don't have exotics. I don't really like exotics. They're not really my style. I'm a bit softer, feminine, I don't know. I'm very just, I'd say traditional type, natural as one can be. Exotics are more wild, more, I feel aggressive just because of the tone of them. They're obviously beautiful. It's just not my taste, you know? This bag, this is my taste. Is this just like, it literally matches my blazer. And it's not even actually, I don't think, showing on the video. 1 second, guys. How beautiful it is. So it's mini, and mauve Sylvestre. I mean, there's different other kinds of mauve they have. The other color she offered me was the, what was it? It's vert something. It was the lime green one. Am I not naughty for not knowing the names exactly? And she also had offered me like a beigey brown one, which I was gonna take, but I held out for this, guys, and I wish I could tell you. Vert Fizz. She offered me the Vert Fizz, and which is beautiful, that lime green. And I thought, okay, maybe I could work with that. She really tried to push that one. It went like this. Someone took it like this. It wasn't my dream color. This bag, this is literally like my dream color. So I'm gonna take it tonight for dinner. I don't know how I haven't been able to open it. I've had this bag for 2 weeks now, guys, and I have waited for you. There's the tape. I've waited to unbox it. Well, not necessarily with all of you, because I just wanted to have the memory on my birthday. And yeah, I'll have to take some time. And the crazy thing about these bags, for me, I love collecting bags. Everyone's like, why don't you resell it and make all your money back? If you look right now, this bag resell a mini Kelly mauve Sylvestre. I mean, honestly, I don't even know what that would be in USD. I know the price. It's looking anywhere close to like 40,000 USD, because there's literally none online brand new for sale. But I'm not a resale girl. I just want to keep collecting. And obviously it has the palladium hardware. So let's break it down, guys, for all of you who are curious. I mean, it's so mini. Oh my gosh. I mean, there's more plastic. I'll have to take that off later. And then, so inside, you have the other closed shut bag. Just put like this. And you've got this really adorable, which also has all the plastic on it. So you attach the, what do you call it? Like, am I like literally so excited? I cannot even think. Like the handle, right? Handle onto the bag. And this is it. I mean, there's not much inside. Let's see. No, it's just the construction of the bag is perfection. I don't know what to say. It almost has, in this light, because the light I'm in here in this study is not great, but it literally has, I'd say, not